Unlock your inner superhero with a humorous guide to telekinesis and psychic abilities. The Power Within playfully explores the realms of supernatural powers, breaking down complex concepts like telekinesis and psychic skills into easy-to-understand lessons. Understanding telekinesis and its comedic quirks, exploring psychic powers outside of comic book heroes, mastering skills such as telepathy and aura reading can be quite the adventure, don't you think? Imagine being able to read minds or sense the energy fields around people. It's like having a superpower. Navigating challenges like self-doubt and negative energy is part of the journey too. Yeah, it can be tough, but overcoming these obstacles makes you even stronger. Trust me, you'll get through it. Using your newfound powers to help others is where the real magic happens. Whether it's offering guidance or just being there for someone, your abilities can make a big difference. Pretty cool, huh? With a light-hearted tone and practical tips for anyone ready to embrace their psychic journey, you'll be well on your way. So go ahead, dive in, and enjoy the ride. After all, it's your journey to explore. See comments section below to read more.